asking parents first.
It's JCPenney's biggest sale of them all this weekend. Shop coats for the family, $12.99 men's and women's tops, or air fryers. Or take an extra 20% off with your JCPenney credit card and coupon. Come in and save big at JCPenney.
TCU helps you stay focused.
Get 0% APR for 60 months plus 500 bonus cash on the new 2019 Highlander. Toyota. Let's go places.
I got rear-ended on I-95 by a big truck. And Attorney Dan Luna was able to get me $400,000 for my injury case. And I'm very thankful.
Hi, I'm Attorney Dan Newland. Every week, our law firm recovers millions of dollars for injury and accident victims like Ramon. If you've been involved in a car accident, we'll work hard for you too. Call me now from anywhere in Central Florida, 407.
Lease a new 2019 Toyota Highlander LE for $229 a month for 36 months. Toyota. Let's go please.
You've always been a trier.
Oh, I tried. And it made life so much worse for so many innocent predators.
Oh, not all of them, though. Speak of the devil, right on time.
Is that Gideon Gray?
Yeah, it sure is. We work with him now.
He's our partner, and we never would have considered it had you not opened our lines.
That's right. I mean, Git's turned into one of the top pastry chefs in the Tri-Boroughs.
Gideon Gray. I'll be darned.
Hey, Judy, I'd just like to say I'm sorry for the way I behaved in my youth. I had a lot of self-doubt, and it manifested itself in the form of unchecked rage and aggression. I was a major jerk.
Oh, I know a thing or two about being a jerk.
Anyhow, I brought y'all these pies.
Hey, kids, don't you run through that mini can from Holly said yes.
Well, now there's a $4 word, Mr. H. My family always just called them night howlers.